In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and customize a new storefront theme in Bigcommerce. Whether you're setting up your store for the first time or giving it a fresh look, this easy walkthrough will guide you through the process step by step. Let's get started. First, head over to Bigcommerce by opening your web browser and navigating to their official website. Once you land on the homepage, look toward the top right corner of the screen. There you'll see the login button. Go ahead and click that to be taken to the login page. Now enter your registered email and password. If you're concerned about security, make sure your password is strong and unique. After you've entered your details, click the login button and wait a moment while your credentials are verified. Once you've logged into your Bigcommerce account, you'll be directed to your dashboard. This area houses all the key controls and features for managing your online store. From here, click on Storefront in the navigation menu. This will guide you to the area where you can manage your store's visual design and themes. Next, proceed to the themes marketplace by selecting it in the Storefront dashboard. This marketplace offers a wide variety of themes, both free and paid, allowing you to choose a design that fits your brand's personality and needs. Browse the selection, and once you've found a theme that catches your eye, click on it to get more details. When you're ready to make a choice, select the theme by hitting the Apply button. This will add the selected theme to your store's theme library. Now it's time to personalize your selected theme. Head back to the themes section where you'll find all the themes you've downloaded previously. Here, if you have any themes you want to apply, click on the three dots next to the theme and select Apply. You can further tailor your store's appearance by selecting a theme style that you prefer. After making your selection, click on Continue to proceed. Then navigate to the Customize option on your dashboard. Here you'll find the Page Builder, which is a powerful tool that enables you to personalize your storefront to meet your exact specifications. Use elements such as banners, images, and text blocks to create a cohesive shopping experience for your customers. If you'd like, you can switch to theme styles for more specific adjustments. This lets you edit the finer details of how your store looks and feels. Once you're satisfied with the adjustments and your storefront looks just right, remember to save your changes by clicking the Save button. Finally, when you're ready for the world to see it, click Publish. A confirmation window will appear, prompting you to click Publish again to finalize and make your new design live to customers. Congratulations, you've successfully added and customized a new storefront theme in Bigcommerce. With these changes, your store is now set to attract and engage visitors like never before. Thanks for tuning in and happy selling.